Stop letting restaurants charge you $12 for a bowl of vegetable water. This entire pot cost me only $6. That's $1.50 a bowl for 20 grams of protein. This is a meal that got me through the first month in the US when I had nothing. Most people add salt at the end. Don't. Salt goes in with your onions right now. It draws out the moisture to let them sweat. Your onions will melt into the soup instead of staying crunchy. That's your first upgrade. When I was cooking in Mexico, ginger was everywhere in the market. It does something to a soup that nothing else can. Here's the second upgrade. Instead of adding heavy cream for that thick velvety texture, we're using red lentils. They're going to soften until they basically fall apart in the broth. That's the secret to getting a rich cream base without a drop of dairy or expensive cashews. Let it simmer. Let the warmth fill the room. This is more than food. This is you taking care of yourself, one small moment at a time. You see that? Thick and velvety. And it's just the lentils broken down into a natural cream. No dairy, no cashews, just time. $6, 4 bowls. Compare that to a $12 bowl at a restaurant that'll leave you hungry in an hour. This soup you're really gonna love. Because of the ginger, it makes you feel really warm inside. If you need more than just one recipe, my Plants on Pennies ebook maps out an entire month of food for 2. That's 30 days of breakfast, lunch, dinner, and desserts. You can find that in the link below. Your encouragement is what keeps me in the kitchen. A huge thank you to everyone who contributed to our GoFundMe after the attack in Mexico. We are still very much in the middle of our recovery and quite a bit ways from our goal. But every gift helps us lay another brick in this new foundation. We're rebuilding together, one meal at a time. Leave a comment and let me know what city, state, or country you're watching from. I love knowing who's in this with me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.